My name's Jonah, Sewoee. I'm the janitor and I work for the housekeeping. When I first started working for Etnico, I worked for the dish pit. I worked there for a year and a half. From there, I moved to janitor job, and then from there, I worked as a hot trucker. I went back to janitor, and this is the job that I love doing. I wash the coveralls every day, twice a day, in the morning and after lunch. My work is to do offices cleaning, washroom cleaning, slipper run 4 times a day. Whenever there's new janitor, I train them. Every summer, I have to store away the winter coveralls, which are insulated. I like keeping myself busy, and I'm that kind of guy that never stops.